Welcome to your essential guide for the AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam, also known as AIF-C01. If you are looking to validate your understanding of artificial intelligence and machine learning on the AWS cloud, you are in the right place. But before we break down the exam domains and strategy, I have a crucial tip for your preparation. To truly pass this exam with confidence, you need to test yourself against realistic scenarios. That is where certification practice comes in. Visit certificationpractice.com to access high-quality practice exams that are crafted by experts and rigorously verified against official documentation. These aren't just random questions. They are designed to mirror the actual exam format and difficulty, ensuring you are never caught off guard on test day. Now, let's dive into the certification itself. The AWS Certified AI Practitioner is a foundational credential. It is designed not just for technical engineers, but for anyone who needs to speak the shared language of modern AI. Whether you are a business analyst, a product manager, a marketing specialist, or an IT professional, this certification validates that you understand how to recognize AI opportunities and connect them to real-world business value. Let's look at the logistics. The exam consists of 65 questions. You will have 90 minutes to complete them. The cost is generally $100, making it an accessible investment for your career. To pass, you need a scaled score of 700 out of 1,000. And here is something interesting. Of those 65 questions, only 50 count toward your score. The other 15 are unscored experimental questions. But since you won't know which is which, you must treat every question as if it counts. We are going to look at the specific topics you need to study in just a moment. But first, a quick reminder. Theory is great, but application is key. When you use the practice exams at certificationpractice.com, you get immediate feedback on your weak areas. Their content is kept up to date with the latest exam blueprints, so you aren't studying obsolete material. It is the smartest way to ensure your study time yields actual results. Moving on to the content. The exam is broken down into 5 distinct domains. Domain 1 covers the fundamentals of AI and machine learning. This is about 20% of the exam. You need to clearly understand the difference between AI, ML, and deep learning. You will also need to know the machine learning lifecycle, from data collection to deployment, and how AWS services like SageMaker fit into that pipeline. Domain 2 focuses on the fundamentals of generative AI, making up 24%. This is the exciting part. You need to understand concepts like tokens, embeddings, and transformers. You will be tested on your ability to identify use cases for text, image, and audio generation, and understand the pros and cons of these powerful tools. Domain 3 is the largest section, at 28%, covering applications of foundation models. This is where you need to know about prompt engineering, retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, and fine-tuning. You must be familiar with Amazon Bedrock, Amazon Q, and how to choose the right model for the right task based on cost and performance. Domains 4 and 5 are critical, yet often overlooked by candidates. Together, they make up 28% of the exam. Domain 4 covers guidelines for responsible AI, dealing with bias, fairness, and transparency. Domain 5 covers security, compliance, and governance. Do not skip these. You need to know how to secure your AI systems using IAM and encryption, and how to maintain compliance. So, how should you prepare? AWS recommends about 6 months of exposure to these concepts, but with the right study plan, you can get there faster. Focus on services like Amazon Bedrock, SageMaker Jumpstart, and Amazon Q. And finally, to lock in that passing score, head over to certificationpractice.com. Their practice exams are the perfect final step to ensure you are ready to earn your badge. Good luck with your studies, and go get that certification.